What's going on, everybody? So, as promised, I'm going to teach you how to double and even triple the amount of results you get doing credit repair. Whether I'm doing it, whether another company's doing it, or whether you're doing it yourself. You should always send a copy of your driver's license, a most recent utility bill, and your social security card. But to make it even better, fill out a power of attorney. Now, if somebody's not working on your credit, just fill a power of attorney out and just assign it to whoever you want to, as long as they can sign it and you can sign it. Now, if you want to make it even better, and this is the kicker, and I'm telling you, it's going to be a lot more work on y'all, but I'm telling you, this is the number one way to get results. Sign the last page. Yes, I said sign with a wet signature, and date it and have your letters notarized. If the credit bureau sends you, for example, Experian sends you the email stating it looks like it didn't come from you, or TransUnion sends the stall letter, you got a case already, even from round one. You take them to small claims court. And the reason you take them to small claims court is because a lot of these FCRA lawyers, first question they're going to ask is, well, is the item yours? Do you owe the money? They're getting about as difficult as the credit bureaus. So just take them to small claims court. The chances of them showing up is slim to none. Let's sue them for not doing their job. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.